How we doing? Good morning.
What's good? Good to go out.
What's up, man?
What's up, guys? Running a little behind this AM, but we're getting after it. How's your morning been, bro?
It's good. Had a nice pool day. Prepping myself mentally. I'm gonna attempt the 75 hard on Monday, so
Let's go, bro.
let's see if we can do it.
Let's go, dog. You're gonna kill it.
I'm going to.
Bro's gonna kill it. What you watching today?
Oh, there's a nice setup played out here at Premarket. A couple. One was this short here. The supply confirmed right when I was waking up. But nothing close, really.
All right. Team Bull DOD Money Team.
Good morning, everyone. Welcome in.
53 days in to mine. I am still going at it. I basically lived it, though, so I'm just kind of putting a...
Good morning, good morning. Cutting it a little close this morning, I know, but I am ready to see if we can't run up a bag, you know? What are you all watching? Your favorite setups? Remember, everyone, this is a group effort on here. Group effort. Appreciate the follows on TikTok. Did anybody catch the short in the fair value gap this morning? Good morning, good morning. Remember, everyone, you all, we all come to agreement yesterday. We're going to do the 75 hard together. For those that agreed to it, everyone doesn't have to participate. But we're starting on Monday, so prepare. Be prepared come Monday. Good morning, Esteban, Ken, V-Man, Jonathan, good morning. Corey? You get to trade with us again, Jersey? You're off? Nice. Now you can drink caffeine on the workout challenge. 75 hard. I guess so, right? I've never considered it to be a bad thing as long as you're not drinking it with like energy drinks, I would say. Or as long as it fits within your diet. You all have to decide the diet as well for yourselves. All right, everyone, if you have any questions, drop them in chat. Share it live. It's almost time. have my coffee in hand and I'm ready. Coffee in hand. Nick, you must be one of the people that can just eat whatever and not gain any weight, you know? Oh, I don't know. I've never used them. Apple user. What's up, Thomas? Good morning. I need to tighten up my diet, and I'm going to with this 75 hard. This can be I'm going to do it right. I'm going to follow all the rules of the 75 hard. But I'm going to the diet I choose, I'm going to follow it perfectly. I'm going to count it and everything, like count macros. Jevin, they got an app. Check it out. Just go to the App Store, 75 hard. Nice. We're close to the same size. Nick, what, as far as, well, no, you're actually way more than me. I believe. I have to check. It's close. It is close. Is there a 75 medium? Oh, market's open, everyone. Let me talk to Team Pool.
You're gonna have trouble
Let's do this.
with option or the positions moving against you too soon.
You have anything you're watching close, Jada?
No.
Me either. Me either. Alexander, we have crude oil inventories in an hour. Other than that, no news. Thanks. Good morning, me.
Beautiful things. Let's get it, guys. As a reminder, it is oh, I'm not sharing my screen. Whoops.
I'm not for sure, Corey. We had some weird candles pre-market. I'm gonna have to. I have to check the app. On the 75 hard, I've done 2 challenges like that. Is that the one where you cannot watch but a certain amount of TV? Like limited screen time as far as pleasure goes? Good morning. Good morning, good morning. Make sure you follow everyone. I go live every morning. I'm looking at the chart now, trying to get us a game plan together. I'm not seeing nothing close though, unfortunately. I read often anyways. Not as much as I used to, for sure, but I would say I read a lot more daily than what is required of the challenge. What do I read? I'm always reading something, learning something, trying to, I don't know, just build my companies more, you know. I'm always reading something. I've got a couple books I'm currently reading. One is just for pleasure though. Have not, Jersey. That about figures, Alexander. How was the market yesterday? It was the early morning session. We caught a trade, and Tradeovate was weird. I ended up making like $94, which should have been more. Then after the live was over, I ended up catching a trade, so I made right at $1,000. $1,000 on the day yesterday, which I'm green for the week. Small green, but green nonetheless. Any questions? Just drop them in the chat here.
Push-ups before the bell, you really feel better too. You really do.
Oh.
We're gonna make that a rule. Every day before open, you do your push-ups, and then after every trade that you take that doesn't fit your system, it goes bad, whatever it may be, you do 10 more push-ups too. You'll either be rich or you'll be ripped.
I actually took the orb. I tried the orb yesterday. But there's two more trades that confirmed other than there's one more trade that confirmed other than the orb yesterday. And it was a short setup that I did not take. Wait, there was two more setups rather yesterday. That was right. After we got off the live, there was 3 legit trades I seen. This happening later in the day, you know.
I want to watch for any sort of strength. I want to watch for a break above.
Longs off the open was a good call. Paul, I mean, what was the reasoning? Oh, I thought you'd tell me good morning, Danny. I see how it is. I see who's important now. I'm playing. Good morning. Welcome in. Share the live TikTok. All right. What is going on with this? There we go. Trading view was being a little glitchy there. A little glitchy. Good morning. All right. Team pool. Appreciate the follows. I'm gonna catch a nice fat trade. I'm like the ones that we like. We get in, minimal drawdown, hits all price targets. We're trying to decide what to do with the runners at that point. What we got? 4 minutes and something until the 15-minute range is in. Oh. Can everyone see my screen well? Hear me well? What's going to be our solution if the moves keep happening later in the day like that? Should we just stay on longer or just start the lives a little later in the day? If the market doesn't switch back, which it very well could. Glitch. No, I did not. I had a developer help me. And once I understood how to work on it myself, I've done, stuff since then. You can't stay longer due to work? Alright, I'll keep it the same time then. We'll just stay on here. We might stay till 11:30, 12. See if that helps us any. I stayed to what, 11:30 yesterday? Was it 11:30 I stayed till yesterday? It's pretty late. And still, even when I got off, the trades confirmed later. So do 2 sessions? I mean, that's a good idea. Hello?
You watching that?
Premarket area?
You at the pre-market area?
I was gonna watch up here for like a reject, like 24, 550.
Yep, that's how I'm watching, 540 to 550.
It's the only thing I see. If we can get above that, we get like a high volume candle above that though. I may look for a long entry. We'll see how it plays out. Welcome in, everyone. Appreciate you all for hanging out.
That's what I'm watching for, is that reject up there. I wanted to see us break through the level, then reject.
Doesn't look
Not looking like it's going to give it to us, though.
No.
It's not looking like it wants to cooperate.
Real quick, everyone, before we get into the trade, if you all want to try funded accounts, go to grizzlytrades.com. I think Apex is 85% off right now with code Grizzly. Check out their new plans. I actually have a YouTube video out on their new plans, and Tradeify and Take Profit. 3 favorite. Check them out. What is it?
You reject.
Yeah.
Really missed it by
grizzlytrades.com.
about 15 to 25 points. Wow. That's foul.
Champ, what's coming new with it? I haven't read yet. Sherwood says, I only ever use your code for evals. I appreciate that. That's how, I don't make anything from YouTube much. The money I make from streaming, like this from YouTube and stuff, is not even worth talking about, to be honest.
All right, guys, our 15-minute range is in. Let's find ourselves a winner.
Appreciate it, Chris.
Find ourselves a winner. Dun. I was really hoping we get that move up. POC is point of control. Highest volume moment from the current session.
What is going on here? It looks like it's about to rip down, doesn't it? I would love to try some shorts here, but we're right above VWAP. And it's hard to judge the volume on that previous candle compared to the first two. Oh, maybe the orb is the route we should go today. What do you all think? Wait on the orb setup? Sound good? Thanks, champ. Appreciate it, man. We just getting a bunch of trolls over there, Medman, or what? Sorry if I've missed any comments in TikTok. I don't even see the trolls anymore. Medman just snipes them. One more time. Last time I'll ask. Maybe. Can everyone hear me? Give me a yes. Good morning. Give me a yes in chat. You can see my screen, hear me. Awesome. Thank you. Nice. Oh, we're gonna make a bag today. All right, everyone, let's lock in here. I see a setup. It'll be a short entry up around VWAP if I try it. 441. Wait. I bet that point of control would be a safer entry. Well.
Should we watch for a retest back up for shorts for an initial test?
441.
Yeah, like VWAP.
Yeah. It's just ripping straight down, man.
You know, right to Premarket low. That's what I wanted to see. I wanted to see us come get even the slightest retest up. Nope. So sorry. Not today, baby. So they're so close to our reject earlier at Premarket high.
Hope it gives a pullback before it just rips down here. Any questions?
Yeah, I have a question. Why can't this damn market give us a solid lower high pullback or ripping down?
Well, let me contact the makers.
Call the market makers. Dial them up.
It's currently the X platform. Wow. Is it gonna sweep pre-market low and climb?
Yup, literally, of course.
Hopefully it doesn't. Look at the volume on this candle. Let me see what the delta is. 1 minute 30 second left on this candle. It's currently negative 200 and something. $4.19.
Nothing. Grizzly, I'm curious why. Notice with Grizzology, why do you have your pre-market low where it is instead of 2 a.m. Eastern time?
What is it?
You have your pre-market low at
4 a.m.
You gate. Yours is at 4.
Yeah.
Yours is at 4. Okay, that's why.
Pre-market is.
Oh. Still down for a lower high. Just wish we would have had a pullback before.
I thought about making Grizzology where people can, like, some people prefer a certain time frame for certain sessions. Just make it adjustable for them.
Technically speaking, is a 2-bar. Stops have to be right.
I'm gonna try shorts around 400 if we push up a little more. Everyone,
I might be down for shorts at 400 with stops at like 450. Just put on a little less size.
I'm keeping my stops at 420. Well, yeah, 420. Y'all like the setup or what? You like 400 for shorts around that area?
I like that 400 area too. I'm gonna be trading micros if I put on more risk, like more point risk, not necessarily more monetary risk, but more point risk.
I'm starting my position here. I'm gonna add to it. Well, no, I'm just gonna leave it here. I'm in shorts, everyone. We can either stop at the top of this candle or the 15 or above VWAP.
Started up here as well. Started shorts up there.
What is low a day here? 360.
I personally like adding into like 20 when it stops above like.
Yeah, I was trying to make up my mind here what I wanted to do, but yeah, we could add some. Definitely could add more up here and just set our stops above VWAP.
You guys want a little? Actually, no. I took that back.
If we can get 361 out of this, I'll be happy.
Yep, and low day I'll be
Yeah.
happy too. You guys didn't. Here, you should have. This is entry area up here where I tried shorts. I have an emergency stop up at 450, just in case we got some crazy news candle.
Yeah, you never know.
I always have emergency stops in this market, just in case.
Well, there's
You'll never find me without a hard stop in.
some brutal pre-market candles. Looks like.
Yep.
Rip straight down for us. Let's have a nice payday. All right. Where's the beat? What? 440.
There we go. If you guys got that up,
Whoa.
that was the one up there.
I'm just about to add. I didn't get to add anymore. Did me dirty. Which I got a decent size. I'll be happy either way.
Come on, push it down.
Give us a low day. We're going to trim half our position off if we get it.
Come on, push it down, baby. Downwards dog. It's yoga time. It's yoga time. It's bear time.
All right, trim everyone.
I'm going to take a little off too. Low 60s. I'm taking a little off here.
Nice.
Let's go.
This is my final price target. The zone here, this demand. That was what I was aiming for. I mean, it could go further, but that was my final price target.
I moved my stops down to 413 for now.
Nice trade, everyone. Exactly what we needed today. Put your stops at entry. It should be a green trade regardless at this point.
Let's go. Push it down, baby. Actually, I'm going to do that too. My stops at entry.
Next trim for me is going to be like 330, 340 area.
I want to see it move down to, what does it say, 325.
Yeah, we could. The previous day, point of control's at 280.
There we go.
Beautiful.
There we go.
I trimmed again, everyone.
Let's go. Yo.
There we go.
Yeehaw, baby. Slap me and call me Jaquita. Let's go.
That's what I'm talking about. I know everyone's making money off that one.
Let's go. That was money bags.
Money.
Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah.
My stops and profits now, everyone.
We needed that.
Yes, we did.
We needed that, baby. I like it like that. She working that back. Some old school.
Scott, you're welcome. You have a good day as well. We needed it, Nick. Yes, we did.
Yeah. Come on.
I told you all this morning. Uh-oh. It's going to get my...
Keep it moving. We touched that demand zone almost to a T.
Yeah, I'm out, everyone. It got my the remainder of my position. Trade's over for me. I took it straight to my final price target.
All right, guys. We need, after a slow start to the week, we need some good vibes. Good vibes and good vibes only. If you guys made money on that, if you guys caught.
That's an eval passer, everyone. Solid trade. Right to our price target. You see how we use Grizzology there? Even when we're not using the zones, we use them for price targets. The key level is price targets. Stop losses. We manage your trade, you know? Made over 600, hit all my trims, best day yet. That's awesome, Isaac. Seriously, that's a big accomplishment, if I could speak. We have something very special here. I'm telling you all. I made $1,200 off that trade. My biggest day of the week. As far as day trading goes. Dr. Philip. The only ones I recommend these days, prop firms, are you'll see them at grizzlytrades.com. Go there, check them out, okay, Dr. Philip? I was going to go full size on that. I was near full size already. Near full size. I was going to add more, like at a little bit closer to 420. We just, right when I started to add to my position, just ripped straight down. You need 500 more divided on 2 days and payout number 3. Nice, Alexander. Jersey was using his personal. Nice. 30-minute workday. If you all want to, oh, I got some Apex accounts to give away. I forgot to tell you all. He sent me some codes, and I've got a lot of them. Mm-hmm. I want to catch another trade. Do you all want to hang out for a while longer? Then I'll do the giveaway at the end. Is that cool? I'd like to catch one more if you all are down. Let's hang out a little while longer, okay? Oh, you can be done. You don't have to take any more trades. There's a massive trade, everyone. Well, not massive. What was it? 400-ish down to 327. Still solid day trade, wouldn't you say? Appreciate that, Robert. Appreciate the company, man. Let's see what Jadon said. Well, that's a nice trade, Jadon.
That's awesome.
We may have another setup here. I would love to catch the sweep here. Look at the volume on it. That's a reversal candle if we can get an entry.
Yep.
A new point of control.
Was bad for pull back into like pre-market low with stops below a day. That's the type of trades that's been hitting lately.
Man, if it just completely flushed this candle to the downside, I'll be surprised if it invalidates. But are you taking another trade, or are you going to be done with that one, Jadon?
I don't know. I'm not sure yet.
I was considering one more trade.
If you do it, I'll do it.
Yeah, that was high volume. That's higher volume than the opening candle. New point of control in, or will be in, is in 395.
You don't threaten me with a good time.
That's what I'm saying. Nice. Saved your eval. Oh, saved your funded. Well, so much for a pullback there.
Yeah. This is the type of trade where I like to see us pull back a little, like into here, and then rip. Face ripper.
Grisology tried to tell us. Take the longs here.
Tried to warn us. Tried to warn us. We didn't listen.
Was the orb going to play out with that massive high volume candle? The orb's invalid for me, everyone. Just because of that previous candle.
Grizzly, you watching the Nebraska-Iowa game tomorrow?
Are you going to it? Yeah, I think I'll watch it.
You watch it, bro. That's like our Super Bowl, bro. They're literally our arch nemesis. It's the battle of the corn. This is like Game 7 of the Cavs and Warriors back in the day.
They're going to have like a corn shucking competition?
Yes, this is for all the marbles, bro. If we lose tomorrow, I will literally hide in my closet for 2 weeks. Like, we could have gone to the Sweet 16 and lost to Florida, whatever. No, this Iowa's personal. It's personal. It's literally all anyone in Nebraska is thinking about. We have nothing else. I mean, respectfully.
That's the best type of games, though. I love that vibe, you know?
Yep. Thank God it's not a butter churning competition. You'd win.
Is that right? I'm telling you all, I get abused here. HR. Someone give me a number.
What do you think? y'all gonna take down Alabama?
I doubt it, but I
Or
hope.
you guys put Iowa State. You put Iowa State.
No, yes, Ohio. Wait, who is it?
You put Iowa State.
Yeah, that's right. Someone was talking trash in my DMs about them yesterday.
You guys got Iowa State.
How's your bracket holding up? Mine is just fell apart.
Mine is actually not bad. If let's see. I still have a lot of potential points. I got Nebraska in the Final Four, so I don't think anyone else chose them to go far.
Hope they make it.
That's my sleeper, bro.
My brother had an upset bracket, and he's doing decent. Doing decent. Or was. I haven't looked at it today.
So we went and touched up at 4:30. That's the original area I was watching. This is 4:30, 4:40 for shorts. We'll see how it ends up. How it ends up being for the session. If I got Duke over St. John's, I picked that matchup right for Sweet 16.
What's up, everyone? Sorry if I missed something. I was just talking with Jay down there. Make sure you hit the follow for one. Stick around to the end if you like prop firm. If you like Apex, I'm giving away some accounts. Okay, at the end of the live. And if you want to check out prop firms, you want to trade someone else's capital, not risk your own, or you just prefer them, go to grizzlytrades.com. Look at Apex, Tradeify, Take Profit, 3 the best in the game. So code Grizzly. That's right, Danny. That is right. Made me happy. All right. I mean, I usually don't take things personal in this life, but the next road tide I see, we might have a problem. I'm playing. It is a rival, just so you know. Comment King, I would say that's a good question. Comment King asks, what prop do you think is the most beginner-friendly, user-friendly? Would you say Tradeify, Take Profit, or Apex? Which one would you all pick between them three? Take Profit. Yeah, that's what I was going to say. Take Profit. Comment King, go to my Grizzly Trades. Check out Take Profit. grizzlytrades.com. Most people are saying Take Profit, so. Brandy says, got an Apex account today, used your code, so I missed your first trade. Trying to give us another one. I would have tried some longs if we just retraced that first candle a little. That big candle, rather, the big green candle with a buy. Wow, just keeps going.
Yep, just keeps pushing.
I would have tried longs if we just got a little retracement.
Me too. I want to see it retrace it back to like pre-market low, a little lower.
Yeah. Where you going with, Alexander? Which one? Point of control. You pull back to point of control. Was it? Yeah, it was. It was. No way. The orb confirms here.
Came back to tell you today was the first trade I've ever taken with you, and you saved my account bad. What?
It's the highest volume point of the day on the time frame we're watching, Brad. It's the where it closes. Is that okay on the 5 minute? Beck, are you outside? Come on in. You will be met with a vicious corgi.
Stupid.
Attack corgi. So, better watch out for the bears, Beck. Back in the day, Thomas, that's what it would have been. I feel like it's not really going to give much of an entry. It's going to keep ripping up to pre-market high, or at least a 15-minute range high. I might be wrong. We'll see. What's up, Mr. Babar? You're not... Oh, sorry. I was getting you confused with someone else there.
Game Grizz, that demand zone smacked.
I'm telling you, man.
Smacked for real. Woo!
Bless you.
Oh, I sneezed. Thank you, guys.
Thanks, Thomas. Thanks for all the likes. Make sure you follow TikTok. Should have a video out for you all today. Some kind of YouTube video. It may need to be a trade recap today, though. That was too good of a trade not to recap it. You know what I mean? Maybe a nice trade recap on YouTube. You all watch it, right?
Appreciate all y'all.
Yes, it was. We might be able to find another one. We'll see. I'm not ruling it out yet. You heading out, Jacob? Good day, man. There'll be plenty more trades, Colorado Cowboy. Don't let it get to you. Miss that one. Artistic vision, nice. Appreciate it. I guess we'll push up to the next supply. Just never know. I never try to really guess the direction for long. I just wait till we get to our key levels and look for the confirmation we use every day. That simple. Nice.
Only we would have gotten that slight pullback.
The take profit I gave you was up 1,100. Isaac, Danny's the same way with point of control. He utilizes it much more than I do. I need to use it more. Yeah, Danny, you have to say no to them. I'm telling you all, if we do the 75 hard, I will do it right. I will not cut any corners.
Let's go. Someone DM'd me and said, I closed out today with 600 profit with the
I'm just happy we had a nice trade. One that made sense, played out like one would expect it to, once we get the confirmation. No rejections here. There's no trades to be made here in this area, everyone. As far as my strategy goes. I mean, honestly, we should see pre-market high eventually, or at least that 15-minute range high. Could take it half the day to get there, but I will put out a recap video on YouTube today, everyone. Make sure you watch it, run it up. That's all I ask. It'll be short and to the point, so it will not waste much of your time. Any questions? We got plenty of time for questions. Thanks, Emma. Yeah, that fair value gap's invalid, everyone. It already hit it pre-market and worked out. Even though it's rejecting it again, it was still invalid. Sean, that could be a setup. Reject pre-market high up to 550s. Pre-market. So when I create in Grizzology, right, I had to sit down and figure out the pre-market times, Asia times, London times. I knew a lot of it, but some of it is not always set in stone. Some people consider it's weird, like the ICT community considers different Asia times as opposed to the real times that they open. So pre-market high technically starts at 4 a.m., right? And it stops at market open. The overnight highs and lows on Grizzology start when the day starts. Okay. Yeah. Hmm. Are you having a hard time hearing me on the live? Chris said he was. That's why I'm asking. Okay, you hear me good? Just like to confirm when someone says they're having issues. Yes, you can share the live if you like. I'm not for sure we'll catch another trade, but I'm going to see if we are. Going to hang around and see what's up. Nope, no setup here. The only reject area I'm watching is above this pre-market high. Let me see something. I'm going to turn previous day high on in front of me. What was that? It's interesting. It's not taking into consideration the move up from that big candle. It may just chop around the rest of the day. Who knows? Or it may wait until we end the live, then do exactly what we're looking for. All right, thank you. Let's see what happens at pre-market high. Keep going.
Get up where you please. Give me one more signal in your belly button.
What is he doing? As soon as I unmute, it's always something like that. So what would that tell you, Mr. Babar? How would you position based off that? I do like a good divergence.
What do you think, big dog?
We about to rip something? What's up?
It's kind of sketchy, but I mean, it's definitely possible with how this market's been. We come up, test this pre-market high, test this previous day, or aftermarket high at 550, and then reject. This market's been very, very consistent on demand bounces and supply rejects.
Oh wow, that big move came after market close yesterday.
Let's go say hi to Jen real quick.
You heading out Jersey? We're just waiting on a possible second trade for those that are just joining. We had a nice first trade this morning. And I will be doing a recap on YouTube, so watch it later. The red zone? Which one? You talking about the one up top here is a supply. This one is a fair value gap that is um, no longer valid. It already hit it and played out here. Fair value gap. Jersey, I don't blame you, man. You made today what you make in a week and a half. Wait, in a week and half an hour, got you. Well, I mean, we all knew that was a reversal candle, and we would have tried longs, but it just didn't give us a pullback. And if we'd got in at the close, what was the risk there? What, 395, 326? Quite a bit. I feel like we've been trading for like 5 hours. We've only been here like an hour or something. Is it me or is everyone else the same way? After I catch a nice winning trade, when I'm waiting on the next one, it just seems like time stops. You know? It's a good question. I think we want that pre-market high before we move down for positioning. I think if it wants to push up, test that move that we made at close yesterday. Right? This is his thinking. I have to wait on confirmation to take shorts, but this 550 to 539 is the area I would look for shorts. Yeah, we caught one winning trade so far, cowboy. We're just stalled out here. Some boring price action now. I guess while we're waiting on the market to actually move, I could go ahead and give away some Apex accounts. Give away 3 or 4. Why not? Three or four. Anybody want one? Nita? I cannot say her last name on TikTok. Nita. Whatever. Man, you see what I'm talking about? You can have one of the accounts. You all need to DM me on Instagram and I will send you the code. See, the way Apex works, I'll send you a code. You get to pick the account you want. All right, YouTube. Who is... Dreamsmatic on YouTube. Dreamsmatic. You can have one. I'm going to give away 2 more, okay? Artistic Vision on TikTok. You can have one. One more, YouTube. This one's for you. Jessica Zion 3344. Everyone good? Gave away 4. We'll give away more tomorrow. You all down for that? Honda, I appreciate it. You the man, Honda. Who did I pick second? Madman. Oh, you don't, I mean not Madman, I'm YouTube. It was on YouTube, the second winner I picked. No, Jessica, I think he was last. Yeah, Dreamsmatic. Got it. Nice. Cowboy. Made 500 today. I made 1,200. Solid day for me as well. Yeah, I'll send the codes over. And I want to say something. Whenever I give away these codes, for Apex, it's very important. When I give you these codes, you don't share them with anyone. They're only one-time use for your eyes only. Okay? Yeah, I was still watching this Premarket High team board.
Where are you?
Well, it's a little higher, like 550. That's the only reason I'm hanging around still. I want to see if we can see what we do there. Made 1,200 today, J Dunn.
Nice.
The steak is paid for. Oh. Price action.
Just touch like 550, 540, 550, and fail, and then just die. That's what I'd like to see. Personally, that's what I'd like to see.
Just DM me and I'll send you the codes. You have to DM me on Instagram, everyone. The ones I picked only.
Yeah, copy.
This action just stalled here.
Just dead. This market needs to just go old yeller. Just croak. Go straight to the ground. Break this range.
It's a classic.
Old yeller?
Yeah. It was a tearjerker when I was a kid.
Oh yeah. You know all the classics, huh?
A lot of them.
She is old 1957.
I am a looser. Oh. BRV, you realize that YouTube is the platform where you can tell who is commenting. Just a heads up. It's the only fun excitement I've had all morning. Other than that trade. Try not to get too excited in the trades. If anybody's wondering, I'm a looser. I didn't make Greg go anywhere, just so the record's straight. Some people don't like the way Jay Dunn does stuff, but he's a good trader. I think he trades well. You know? Appreciate that. No, I'm not gonna look and see who it was. I've only had to do that one time. Had someone like trolling me local on YouTube, and I know how to find out. You know who you can find people on YouTube. He's not gonna do it again though. Uh, what's up, Coming King? Yeah, it's hard to. It's easier to day trade futures in my opinion, as opposed to options. Thanks, Friday. It's the only thing I'm waiting for. See what we do at pre-market high. Appreciate it. Comment King. $5.20 to $5.50. They get heavier. Thanks, Corey. See what happens up there. It's the only reject area I have, and I could switch up there, but I don't think I will look for long up there. I'll probably just be done if a short doesn't confirm. I'm not sure, Brian. I have never used that. Yeah, Sean. I feel that. After the live while I trade alone, I'll set, I'm, well, I don't really have any alerts to set, but, if I see a setup on my phone, I'll probably be close to my desktop all day. So if I see another legit setup, yeah, I'd take it. I'm not actively going to be watching the chart though. Yeah, Brian is trading futures. You don't have to worry about the Greeks. Nick, I will if I have time. You know what I was referring to. I wasn't referring to actual Greeks. Like, I was referring to option Greeks. Don't forget, I am a loser. See what Jaden's doing. Still around, Jaden? I should reclaim the host and mess with him. Jaden loves Griselda. He started using it. I gave him access to it, and that's all he's been using. I'm glad. Oh, I hope that wasn't it. This lowering volume is struggling to get up to pre-market high. I need like a full grizzly suit. Just randomly turn on the screen.
What's up, Grizzly Glock? I am here.
I'm just talking. I'm gonna get me a full grizzly suit and wear it on the stream here.
Yes.
With the sleeves cut off.
We can match. I got grizzly suit. Can you see me on the...
Yeah, I can see you.
Alright.
I got like a Jason mask. Put that on. Or Michael Myers, rather. You got the paws and all.
Who wants some downward dog price action?
Nice history. Gonna go buy some stuff with your profits from today?
Give me pre-market high and let it rip down.
What's up, Bill? We're watching for a reject up here around this
Full setup.
50 area. 39 to 50. I like it.
You like that? Trying to look like you. Oh, we got the bull mask too. It just looks like it's an interesting bull mask. Oh man. You don't know. It's only 9 o'clock. I got about 30 more minutes.
11 here. That ET.
What are your plans the rest of the day?
Make a recap of the trade we took, for one.
Nice.
Probably. I might get the Cobra out and drive it today if it's not going to rain.
Alright. I'm thinking about taking one of the nice cars. Oh, not that Porsche, but probably the Lamb Chop out today, too.
Nice. I'm going to...
It's going to be really nice here. Like, I was today years old when I found out it was going to be like 90 degrees here.
Maybe throw like a Creed CD in.
Yup.
Shift some gears.
Bro, I have a ton
Tank top.
I have a whole one of those CD holders. I have a bunch of
Nice. I got some as well. I need more though.
The Porsche has a CD player too. It was 2019 or 2018.
Does anybody make like the mix CDs anymore? I need some of them.
Maybe throw in some Green Day or some Nickelback.
I got Nickelback. I got Nickelback. Three Doors Down. I got.
Oh, Three Doors Down. So
Creed.
fire. So fire.
AC/DC. All the basics, for driving a muscle car.
Bro, Three Doors Down, Nickelback. You're having a good day. Sun's shining. You're having a good day. Plain and simple. No way around it. TI is nice too if you're feeling some old school rap.
Nice, Nick.
I didn't know that. Johnny Trades.
Is this going to give us pre-market highs? Or is this going to stay in this area the rest of the day? Like, come on.
Damn. That's crazy. Three Doors Down singer died of cancer at 47. Dude, cancer is crazy.
Yeah. It's not been that long ago either.
No matter how much money you have.
Pretty sure caffeine would be what gets me.
Caffeine?
Yeah.
Yeah, you like caffeine?
Caffeine overdose. Oh. I'm okay with it though. There's worse ways to go.
Just passed my eval today. DOD, baby, that's right. It's awesome.
The Folgers, Emma, the Folgers. Did Trump just tweet? For real? What'd he tweet? What we got going?
Health is wealth, that's for sure, guys. That's facts.
What did I miss?
Great trade today, Jay Dunn. Yes. One winning trade. Which has a better sound system, Porsche or Lambo? In terms of actual sound, the Porsche, I believe. I'd say the Porsche for sound for music. Listen, when you guys go,
I don't think I've ever heard your Porsche.
I don't really drive it too much.
You have to do like a code start.
Whenever you guys go to buy your next Lambo at the dealership, they will tell you.
Any questions? I'll send the codes out the Apex accounts I gave away. I'll send them out here shortly after the live. I'm just trying to wait and see if we push up, but it looks like we're trying to sell off some. I don't know. Oh, you can adjust it here, Brad. Come to your settings and just scroll down to where it shows orb. And you can do it right here. Right here. For Apex code. I'm not for sure why they said that. Cowboy. I'm about tired of watching the charts this morning, everyone. I'm about to just get off here and make a recap video for YouTube. Looks like we're selling back off. We can just set our alarms here and watch for the same setup. As long as it doesn't hit during power hour or close to market close, you know, it should be good. We had a winning trade. If we didn't have a winning trade, I would stick around longer. But we're up nice. I'm up 1,200-ish. All right. I'll see you in the morning, okay? Appreciate you all.